confirming or denying people's assumptions of me. Never mind my little witchy poo boots. I just finished filming a fashion video. I assume you were rich. Well, that assumption is wrong. I am not rich. I am middle class, I would say, on the scope of finances. I just have a really cool stairwell in my house. Making content online doesn't pay what you think it does. I assume you're a mean girl. I am not. I would like to think I'm not. I don't know, maybe if you've met me in person, you can confirm or deny that in the comments below. But in my early 20s, I was definitely an asshole. But now I think I'm pretty nice. I assume you are really fun to hang out with and tell cracking bad jokes that are just hilarious. That assumption is correct. And my bra is driving me insane. I am a fan of the dad joke, and I am a fan of the bad pun, and I obviously am hilarious. So, well done. You smell like violets and always have a lipstick in your pocket. Well, most of the things I wear don't have pockets, and when they do, it's really tight, so it would probably look like a tampon, so I probably wouldn't put lipstick in my pocket, but I do always have a lipstick in my purse, and I'm not really a fan of floral smells, so no to the violets. You like candy. I do. I love candy. My dentist can confirm. That you are fiercely loyal to your loved ones and you will not take any crap from anyone trying to hurt them. This is absolutely true. I have disowned family members over them being shitty to people that I love. So, yep, true. Your customer service voice sounds professionally trained. Second, that you don't enjoy small talk with strangers. I definitely have a customer service voice, and I've actually made a reel about it before. And I don't really enjoy small talk with strangers, but I will do it because I don't want to be a jerk. You don't wear perfumes. I actually love perfumes. I wear perfume pretty much every day, so false. I assume you are proud of yourself. This is such an interesting one, and I am proud of myself. I feel like I am pretty accomplished for my 43 years, so yes. That you're funny, sweet, and just a little goofy. Ugh. Yes, I would agree with that. You don't like animals. That makes me feel like I come off like I'm a monster. I love animals, especially baby animals. A baby snake, cutest thing I've ever seen. You smell like vanilla cookies. I like so many of these are fragrance based. My perfume does actually have vanilla in it, but I'm not really much of a fan of like sickly sweet smells. I'm more into like spicy vanilla. You are a practicing witch. I am not. I'm actually an atheist, so I don't believe in any of it. But I think witchy stuff is cute, hence my black lipstick. Before I met you, I assumed that you were tall. This one makes me laugh because I am 5'5", which is not short. And when I meet people in person, they're always like, oh, you're so small, you're so petite. I'm not petite. Petite is 5'3" and under. I'm not short, but I think people think I'm gonna be like 5'9" tall, and I am not. And I get it because I've met celebrities in real life and they always seem really tiny. That you are a big goofball and don't realize how cool people think you are. I'm not really sure how cool people think I am, but I am definitely a big goofball. That you are outgoing and naturally a people person. Honestly, I wasn't outgoing for most of my life. I think doing the whole TheCherryDollface shtick has taught me to be outgoing, and I'm not as much of a people person in my personal life as I think you guys would think I am. But I don't know, maybe I am. I just try not to be a jerk to people. That you are not a morning person. I actually am a morning person. I am far more of a morning person than I am a night person. When I was younger, I was definitely a night person because of going out and having fun and drinking and being up to no good. But as I'm getting older, I definitely prefer daytimes and mornings, and I just like 5 o'clock hits and I want to get in my jammies. That's it. That's all of your assumptions. If you have any assumptions of me that I did not cover in this video, please leave them in the comments below and I would be happy to make a second video. And thank you for all of your assumptions. I hope that I don't come off as much of a jerk as your assumptions would lead me to believe.